What's up, guys? Welcome to the Wilson's Way. And today we're gonna take y'all with us on a little vloggy vlog. We going to the gun range, taking baby to the gun range. I'm gun range. But yeah, we gonna take y'all with us. Nothing too major today, just a little vloggy vlog. We got the boys in the back. We're about to take them to my mother-in-law house.
Granny.
Y'all couldn't really see Kate, but he right there. But yeah, we're in the truck today.
Skirt.
Alright, we'll see y'all when we on our way.
What's the move?
Alright guys, we just dropped off the boys.
Dropped off them bad kids now.
My kid's not bad. But yeah, we're headed to the gun range now. We're not too far away, so
We right there.
yeah. I would let y'all stay on here until we got there,
But we don't want to, because we don't like recording all that much.
yeah.
I mean,
And
like
it'll be a
recording,
B-roll anyways, because what we're gonna talk about.
but- No.
Ain't it called a B-roll? No.
It could be a-hole. I mean,
What? But alright guys. We'll see y'all when we see y'all back at the thing.
about 2 seconds.
Yeah, really not that long because we coming up on it. Alright y'all.
And what's that right there?
You drive a Volvo?
No,
Just easy.
I don't know. He's gonna be shooting right there. Yeah, guys, so we're just going. I don't know. What are we doing after this? Yeah, I don't know what we're doing after this. Y'all may or may not come with us. We'll see. But yeah. At first, I was like, you're not even hitting the whole time, whole inside A dot. Period. Don't fuck with me, I got my shooter with me. I'm just kidding. Is it hot? Can I touch it? Oh, it's hot. But yeah. Straight fire.
got a lot in there.
It's a 50 round drum. That's what he shoot now.
You just got jammed. You just got jammed.
This one right there.
Come on. You're not supposed to go past that red line.
So is your drone making it do that? All right, guys.
Yep.
We gotta end this video off. We didn't do it at the gun race, so we here now. And we about to end this thing off.
Isn't that thing like fire?
All right, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification.
Hold on. Y'all want to see how I did?
Oh, yeah. He got to show you the sheet. Let's not forget the sheet.
Wow, look at that.
And honestly, this right here was all the first set. Y'all gonna see the video, but then he just started shooting everywhere because he was like,
I ain't missing. I just ain't had nothing else to hit in the center.
I got my shooter with me. Don't even worry about it. But yeah, make sure you guys hit that bell notification so you get notified when we
I
post.
really like this, y'all.
Yeah, I bought him that for Father's Day, and
it hasn't been acting right.
yeah, it like when he goes to shoot, he can shoot a few out of it, and then it just get is it jamming, or is it something like that? It's not loading. Yeah, it's not loading the bullets right, but. Yeah, guys.
We're gonna fix that.
I don't even know how much I spent on that.
It wasn't over $100.
Yeah, no, it wasn't that much. It was probably like 60 or something. I don't know. But
it was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Yeah.
Y'all see that?
That's the end of the video, guys. I ain't got nothing else more to say.
Yeah, we just sitting here talking, chatting with y'all. But yeah.
Yeah, I just broke it.
Did you really?
Yeah.
I don't think you just broke it, so.
Okay. Next time on the episode.
All right, y'all. Peace.